If you are responsible for your team's work schedule, the application we offer you will save you a considerable amount of time with ease. You start by defining timecodes that can be up to 3 alphanumeric characters. Then, you build the work cycles, which can be different from one employee to another, even in terms of the number of weeks. The individual hour counters and the workforce controller are very helpful in this. Finally, you choose the year and the start date of the cycles. And that's when the magic moment happens. Indeed, the application takes care of the rest by automatically adapting the schedule to the different months of the selected year, both in terms of content and formatting. You will be able to modify the schedule very easily. To do this, simply click on the tab of the months expressed in numbers. In this interface, each employee's schedule is managed on 2 lines. The first corresponds to the schedule provided for by the work cycles, and it is on the second that you make the changes that will appear transparently at the level of the schedule. The advantage of this method is that you will always have an eye on what was planned by the work cycles, before, during and even after your changes. The changes made have an impact on the workforce controller and on the hour counters, which greatly facilitates the management of absences and replacements.